Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals to 7 centimeter, angle B is 75 degree, and the sum of remaining two sides AB and AC. It means AB plus AC equals to 13 centimeter. See how we will do this construction. First of all, we will draw the base as BC. How much BC is given? 7 centimeter. So we will draw BC 7 centimeter. Now we will construct angle B 75 degree as it is given 75 degree. How to construct 75 degree? First of all, to construct an angle of 75 degree, we will draw 60 degree and 90 degree, and we will do the bisector of 60 and 90 degree. We are working for 60 degree and 90 degree. This is 90 and this is 60. We will join these two angles using dotted lines to construct an angle of 75 degree. See, 90 degree join using dotted lines. We will join 60 degree also using dotted lines. Now we are working for 75 degree angle B. We will get 75 degree between this 60 and 90. So we will open this compass radius a little bit more. We will keep this compass at the point of 60 degree. We will cut an arc between 60 and 90. Similarly, we will keep an arc at the point of 90 degree, and we will cut an arc which cuts the previous arc. Here we can see the intersection point of both the arcs between 90 and 60 degree. We will join the intersection point from the initial point B. This we have got 75 degree. We will produce this line little bit more, 75 degree. Now we want AB plus AC 13. So we will take 13 centimeter in the compass. Sum of these two sides, remaining two sides 13. We will take 13 centimeter in the compass, and we will keep at starting point B. We will cut an arc at 13 centimeter away from point B. After this, we will join this point. Let this point as suppose D. We will join this point D from we will join this point D from point C. See this. Now we will do the perpendicular bisector of this CD. We will do the perpendicular bisector of this CD. Both the perpendicular bisectors are intersecting at 2 points, this point and this point. We will join the points of intersection of both the perpendicular bisectors using a straight line. So here we have got one intersection point on the line BD. This point will be point A, From this point A we will join A to C. So thus this triangle ABC, this triangle A, B and C is the required triangle for the above given information. Thank you.